Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating new study that sheds light on the potential benefits of intermittent fasting. Welcome to Trendstorm. A recent study published in Nature Communications has revealed that intermittent fasting may offer significant advantages for weight management, gut health, and metabolism compared to just reducing calorie intake. In this randomized controlled trial, researchers examined 41 participants who were either overweight or obese at the start. These participants were divided into two groups. One group followed an intermittent fasting regimen with protein pacing, while the other group adhered to a heart-healthy, calorie-restricted diet as a control. Although both groups consumed the same number of calories, the timing and composition of their meals differed. Protein pacing involves evenly spaced high-protein meals throughout the day, while intermittent fasting includes cycles of eating and fasting. For 8 weeks, participants stuck to their assigned diets. Researchers monitored their weights at the beginning and end of the study, analyzed the composition of their gut microbiotas, and measured levels of certain metabolites. The results were remarkable. After 8 weeks, the intermittent fasting group had lost more weight, experienced improved gut health, and showed better metabolic responses compared to the control group. Additionally, participants in the intermittent fasting group reported fewer gastrointestinal symptoms. The gut microbiotas were more diverse and included higher levels of beneficial microbes associated with lean body types and overall health. The study highlights the crucial role of the gut microbiome in overall health, especially in managing obesity and metabolic disorders. The findings suggest that dietary interventions like intermittent fasting and protein pacing can positively influence gut microbiota composition, leading to potential improvements in overall health, obesity, and heart health. These insights underscore the importance of not just what we eat, but also when we eat, in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Sources: Nature Communications, Science Daily. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest health and nutrition research. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring new ways to live your best life. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.